rainforest. Nestled between towering trees and meandering rivers, lay the fabled lost city of gold, known to the indigenous tribes as El Dorado. For centuries, stories of a city paved with gold and brimming with treasures beyond imagination had lured explorers, adventurers, and treasure hunters into the dense, unforgiving jungle. Many sought it, none found it. The legend persisted, a golden beacon of human ambition and curiosity. Dr. Isabella Torres, an intrepid archaeologist with a reputation for uncovering ancient civilizations, had dedicated her life to solving the mystery of El Dorado. Her office was cluttered with maps, ancient texts, and artifacts from previous expeditions. Yet, it was an old, crumbling manuscript, discovered in a forgotten corner of a university library, that held the most promise. The manuscript, written by a Spanish conquistador named Hernán Ruiz, hinted at a path to the lost city, a path shrouded in danger and mystery. Armed with the manuscript and accompanied by a team of seasoned explorers, Torres embarked on the journey into the Amazon. The expedition was fraught with challenges: oppressive heat, venomous creatures, and treacherous terrain. Days turned into weeks as they hacked through the dense foliage, guided by the clues in Ruiz's manuscript. Each step forward felt like a step back in time, into the era when the jungle was a vast, uncharted frontier. One sweltering afternoon, as the sun hung low in the sky, the team stumbled upon a series of ancient stone carvings, half buried in the undergrowth. The carvings depicted a grand city, its streets lined with golden statues and glittering temples. The markings matched the descriptions in Ruiz's manuscript. Dr. Torres' heart raced with anticipation. They were close. Following the carvings, the team arrived at a hidden valley, shielded by a ring of towering cliffs. As they descended, the thick jungle canopy gave way to an awe-inspiring sight: the ruins of a magnificent city, shimmering in the dappled sunlight. The buildings, though worn by time, retained an air of grandeur. Golden spires and statues glinted amidst the greenery, a testament to the city's former glory. El Dorado was real. Dr. Torres and her team explored the city with a mixture of reverence and excitement. They uncovered vast chambers filled with gold artifacts, intricate jewelry, and elaborate murals depicting the city's history. The murals told of a civilization that revered the sun, using gold not just as currency but as a symbol of divine power and connection to the gods. As the team delved deeper into the heart of the city, they found a grand temple, its entrance flanked by colossal golden statues. Inside, a vast hall housed a golden throne, upon which sat a lifelike statue of the city's last ruler. At the statue's feet lay a chest, overflowing with gold coins and precious gems. It was a sight that took their breath away. Yet, amidst the treasures, Torres found something even more valuable. A series of scrolls detailing the daily lives, beliefs, and knowledge of El Dorado's inhabitants. She realized that the true treasure of El Dorado was not its gold, but the rich cultural heritage and history it preserved. As the sun set over the jungle, casting a golden hue over the ruins, Torres and her team knew their discovery would rewrite history. El Dorado, the lost city of gold, had been found not as a mere repository of wealth, but as a testament to the ingenuity and spirit of its people. Their legacy, once lost to time, would now shine brightly for the world to see.